Hello, I'm going to do a science experiment today by making goo. So the ingredients are corn flour, which is 2 cups, 1 cup of water, food coloring, and 1 big bowl. So first you get the corn flour and put it in the big bowl. Then you put the food coloring 4 drops in the water. And then after that, you put it in the bowl with the flour. And then after that, you have to mix it with your hands until it becomes green and not really that hard, sticky and liquidy.
How does the mixture you made feel with your hands?
It feels like liquidy, but when at the bottom, it's really solid.
Scoop. Does it stay in your hands?
Nope. When I scoop the goo, it's like it drips through my fingers. I think the state of matter is solidly liquid. When I try to punch it, it's like solid because it doesn't splash, but when I touch it smoothly, it's liquid. It's like liquid. See?